Woodworking tools have shaped the world for thousands of years, from ancient axes to modern laser-guided saws. How did these tools evolve to create everything from simple shelters to intricate furniture? This video dives into their fascinating journey. Welcome to Objectified, where everyday objects get their moment in the spotlight. Today, the focus is on woodworking tools, the unsung heroes behind stunning creations. This video explores their origins, transformations, cultural impact, and some surprising facts that will change how these tools are viewed. Expect a 25-minute deep dive into the craft that built civilizations. Let's get started. Woodworking tools date back to the Stone Age, around 2.5 million years ago. Early humans used sharpened stones as axes to chop wood for fire and shelter. These crude tools were heavy, requiring immense effort for minimal results. By 3000 BCE, the Bronze Age introduced metal tools. Copper and bronze axes were sharper, more durable, and easier to wield. Ancient Egyptians elevated woodworking with chisels and adzes, crafting intricate furniture for pharaohs. Their tools, often made of bronze, were surprisingly precise, allowing for detailed carvings still admired today. Around 500 BCE, the Iron Age brought stronger, sharper tools. Iron saws and planes revolutionized woodworking, making it faster and more accessible. These early tools laid the foundation for the craft, proving human ingenuity could shape nature. The Middle Ages saw woodworking tools become more specialized. The invention of the lathe around the 13th century allowed artisans to create perfectly round objects, like chair legs and bowls. Guilds of carpenters standardized tools, ensuring consistency across Europe. The Renaissance brought refinement, with tools like the brace and bit enabling precise drilling. By the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution transformed woodworking. Steam-powered sawmills replaced hand saws, and mass-produced tools became affordable. In the 19th century, cast iron and steel improved tool durability. The invention of the circular saw in 1777 by Samuel Miller marked a turning point, cutting wood faster than ever. The 20th century introduced power tools. In 1916, Black & Decker patented the first portable electric drill, followed by electric saws and sanders. These tools made woodworking accessible to hobbyists, not just professionals. Today, computer numerical control machines and laser cutters offer unmatched precision, creating intricate designs in minutes. Modern tools blend tradition with technology, preserving the craft while pushing boundaries. Woodworking tools are more than practical instruments, they carry cultural weight. In Japan, traditional woodworking relies on hand tools like the kana plane, prized for its ability to create glass-smooth surfaces. Japanese carpenters often spend years mastering these tools, reflecting a deep respect for craftsmanship. In medieval Europe, woodworking tools were symbols of status. Master carpenters were revered, and their tools were passed down through generations. Indigenous cultures, like the Haida of North America, used adzes to carve totem poles, embedding spiritual stories in wood. Even today, woodworking tools inspire communities. Online platforms like YouTube host millions of woodworking tutorials, fostering a global revival of the craft. Tools connect people to their heritage, blending art, skill, and history. Did you know the oldest known woodworking tool is a 1.5 million-year-old stone axe found in Kenya? It proves humans were shaping wood long before recorded history. Another surprising fact: the modern tape measure, a woodworking staple, was patented in 1868 by Alvin Fellows, revolutionizing precision. Ever heard of the Stanley No. 1 plane? This tiny hand plane, made in the 1860s, is now a collector's item, fetching thousands at auctions. Here's a quirky one. In the 1700s, some carpenters believed tools had personalities, refusing to use a chisel that felt unlucky. Finally, modern CNC machines can carve wood accurate to 0.01 millimeters, rivaling the precision of surgical tools. These tidbits show how woodworking tools are full of surprises. Woodworking tools have come a long way from stone axes to high-tech CNC machines. They've built homes, furniture, and art, shaping human history and culture. Each innovation, from the Iron Age to the digital era, reflects humanity's drive to create. These tools remind us that craftsmanship is timeless, blending skill with imagination. Whether you're a seasoned carpenter or a curious beginner, woodworking tools offer endless possibilities. If this deep dive into woodworking tools sparked your curiosity, hit the like button and share this video with fellow craft enthusiasts. Subscribe to Objectified for more stories about the objects that shape our world. Drop a comment. What's your favorite woodworking tool or project? Let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching Objectified. Stay curious, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep exploring the stories behind the things we use every day.